Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take a screenshot of the video game that you're playing on your PlayStation 4. This is very easy to do. What you want to do is hold down the sharing and broadcasting button on the PlayStation controller, and this will take a quick screenshot. So if we do this, it's going to take a screenshot, and you'll get a notification in the upper left side of the screen that a screenshot was taken. Otherwise, what you could do is just press this down once, and it'll open up the sharing and broadcast screen right here. Then we'll have the option for screenshot, and we can select this, and it will save the screenshot to the capture gallery. And then it's going to give you an option to upload it to Twitter, X, activities, or messages if you want to go ahead and send this to one of your friends. But if we go back to the screen, we can go down to sharing and broadcast settings right here as well. And we can select this. Then we can go to where it says screenshot settings. And then we can select take screenshot automatically when you earn a trophy. And I have this check marked on, so every time you receive a trophy, you will see an image of that. Then you can change the image format from JPEG to PNG. Then also, on this screen right here, you can go to share button control type. You have two different ones. Easy screenshot, so all you have to do is press the share button once. You don't have to hold it down to take an easy screenshot. Then we can go back to the home screen right here, and we can actually view our screenshots if we go on over to the library. Then go to applications and go to the capture gallery right here. It should be on the top. Then you can go ahead and start this up, and we can see the screenshots. So let's go to Sonic Mania. We can go to all file types. Otherwise, we can just scroll on down to screenshots, and we can see them right here. Otherwise, if we go to all our video clips, we can see our video clips in here as well. So now we have options. We can go to copy to USB storage device, edit and share factory. This is a photo editor and a video editor on the PlayStation, which you can further fine tune your image here. You can go to set as background on the PlayStation, which is useful. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your Six Tech.